Alright. I'm gonna change the position. You can see, you'll be able to see some rotation, very strong rotation. Clouds seem to be moving from south to north on one end, and on another end, it's moving north to south. This is in southeast Barrie, near Mapleview and Prince William Way. The area is called Innis Shores, and looking at very strong rotation to the west over the Painswick area. It's just heading this way now. Don't know what to expect. I'm here.
Oh, you're there.
Yeah.
You're there. Yeah, I thought that's what I saw.
The wind's moving.
Yeah, we might have to get in the basement.
The wind's moving sideways.
Whoa! Holy smokes, we gotta get in the basement.
Can you see that?
Yeah, this is insane. Whoa. What the heck? What is going on? Guys. I'll go. Yeah, we see where the wind. That. Yeah.
Tornado. This is tornado.
In the back room?
Yeah, the power's gone.
Power's gone.
There's a tornado coming to Barrie, Ontario.
Take these bins down, right?
No.
Dad, come on.
Yeah, we're in the back room.
Yeah, we're in the back room. Come. Oh, he's talking.
Talking to other people.
Samaya, come. Samaya, get in.
Samaya!
Come, Samaya, come.
Yeah, this is really bad.
This is bad, yeah. This is horrible. Whoa.
Get down.
It's out there.
Everybody in. In the room.
Holy shit!
What happened?
Wind here, debris!
Dad, come.
Oh my god!
Hurry in the back room.
Dad, in the back room.
Holy crap, get down!
In the back room.
Come.
Holy guys, I'm telling you, this is really bad.
Samaya, come.
Come, Samaya!
Samaya, come.
This is really bad.
Yeah.
Close the door.
Take cover!
Oh, shit. Yeah,
Take cover.
Come.
Get down!
My ears are popping. Holy smokes.
Get down! Holy shit! I just told these two girls to take cover, quick!
Whoa. This is bad. Oh, smokes.
It's over, right?
Stay down!
Samaya,
Stay.
come.
Stay here. Tornado.
Holy shit. This is gonna be a horrible summer. This is crazy. I got the stuff on the tape too before it came. Yeah. Samaya, get down.
How's it looking?
This is
bad.
insane.
Tornado.
I told her, I said, get down there, right there where that came down on.
Direct hit from tornado.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday.
Holy crap.
Tornado warning for this local coverage area.
Get these kids are right under the wire. Get inside. Those two girls right here.
The tornado's over.
Environment Canada.
Let me just tell them.
Right.
Get away from the wire.
Close it. Yeah. Close the door.
Let's try again.
Okay, I'm gonna call.
Oh my. Let these kids, there's some kids here. Let them in.
Yo, guys, come. Alright.
Hey guys, you're
Samaya,
okay?
come,
Okay.
Samaya. Samantha,
Oh yeah.
get inside.
Oh my.
Whoa!
Something like,
Samantha.
oh my goodness. Is this for real? No. Get inside. Get in. Holy shit.
Woo-hoo!
My goodness. Get inside. Come, Samantha. Come. Get in. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
This is the aftermath of the tornado. Yeah. This is the aftermath of the tornado that went through Barrie. This is in South Barrie. This is the neighborhood of Innis Shores near Mapleview and Prince William Way. I'm just gonna guess that we had EF2 damage here. I don't know for sure though. It kind of looks like Angus in the past. There's gas. I have a feeling we're gonna have to leave the area. I forgot to say, this is Succession Crescent. Southern wing of Succession Crescent is not as bad, but directly north of this roadway, you got really bad damage. Between here and I'd say Diana Way is very bad.
Yeah, we're good. It looks like a war zone here, eh?
Yeah. This is Beatrice Lane. It looks very bad. Yep, this is Beatrice Lane. The tornado went right over here. This is, sorry, I can't recall. Okay, I'm coming up to Snowden Avenue. You can see the tornado damage. There's some upper end EF2 damage over there. The roof is gone. Whoops. Okay, I'm gonna start another video. I just need to take care of something for a second. This is more damage east wing of Succession Crescent. Alright, this is Snowden Avenue. Worst of it. The worst of it's right around here. Here is the house with no roof. This is from the intersection with Mapleview, and it landed right here. Oh, and there's the east side of Maplecort Subdivision. This is Prince William Way, and it's really bad over there. extremely bad over there. Wow.
Okay, did you get a hold of Murray?
There's where I live. There's a block where I live. It's all messed up there too. There's actually another thunderstorm coming. That's not good.